Hey youngins, it's Meemaw. I'm here today to show you how to make one of the ultimate comfort foods, chicken casserole. So it's super easy. You just add all the ingredients together and throw it in the oven. So the ingredients are cauliflower florets, 2 bags, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, 1 10-ounce bag of cheddar cheese, 2 cans of chicken, and a sleeve of Ritz crackers. So I'm going to go ahead and just add all my ingredients together. If you don't want to make this much, just cut everything in half. Just half of everything that I just told you, and it'll make a smaller portion. So I've already steamed my cauliflower florets in the microwave for 6 minutes. And I'm going to cut them open and pour them into my dish. I do not have to prepare my dish. There's nothing that you need to do to it. You can use a casserole dish. You can use a Pyrex like I'm doing. You can even use a metal pan if you want. It'll be fine. All right, so I've got my cauliflower in my Pyrex. I'm gonna add in my chicken. I've already drained it, so you're gonna be sure to drain your cans of chicken. And then I'm gonna put in a can of cream of mushroom soup, the other can of cream of mushroom soup. I'm gonna throw these away. Okay, and now I'm gonna pour in my cheddar cheese. And now I'm just gonna mix it all up. Okay, now that I have everything mixed together, see there's a little goo around the side of my Pyrex. I'm gonna take a clean paper towel and I'm going to kind of just put it just over the lid, and I'm gonna pull it around the sides of that Pyrex to clean the sides. Otherwise it'll get burned onto the sides as it cooks, and it'll be much harder to clean up this pan afterwards. So I've done it once, I'm gonna do it just one more time. Go all the way around, just to the top of where the casserole begins. All right, see how much better that looks? Okay, so you can make this ahead of time and put it in the fridge. Just put the top on it or cover it with foil. You can make it a day early if you want. You're not going to put the last ingredient on until you're ready to actually cook it. So I'm ready to cook. So I'm going to take this roll of Ritz crackers, this sleeve of Ritz crackers, and I'm going to begin to crunch it up. I'm going to mush it up, and then I'll be pouring those crumbs over the top of this casserole. Okay, I've got it all mushed up. I'm going to open one end. You got to be really easy with it as you mush it, otherwise you can squish it out and make a big mess. And I'm just going to sprinkle it over the top of this casserole. If you've got a bigger sleeve, this is one of those half-size sleeves. If you've got a whole sleeve, just use half of the full sleeve. This is ready to pop in the oven for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, youngins, my casserole's been in the oven for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna put a piece of foil over the top just so my crackers don't burn, but I wanna leave the casserole in just to make sure it gets nice and heated all the way through. Okay, brown and bubbly, but I'm gonna cover it. I'm just gonna place it right over the top, just like that. 10 more minutes. All right, it's ready to come out. All right, youngins, quick, easy, simple, perfect comfort food. You are worth my time. You're definitely worth your own time. Please like this video, subscribe, but most importantly, I'd like you to put into the comments how I can pray for you today. I send you a real big hug.